The new Koenigsegg Adra RS Griffin, a very special edition of Koenigsegg's already quite special Adra RS, complete with a twin-turbocharged V8 producing 1,360 bhp and weighing in at just 1,395 kilograms. It nears, according to Koenigsegg, the rarefied air of the 1:1's power-to-weight ratio. That's a good thing, by the way. The Griffin bit, named after a mythical creature that uses the body and legs of the lion, and the head, wings and talons of an eagle, gets much bespoke detailing. Things like clear carbon highlights, finished in 24-karat gold leaf across the stripes, badges, bonnet struts, engine and interior. There's more in the interior than just gold leaf, mind. There is Alcantara, polished carbon fiber, anodized aluminium and custom Griffin text stitched into the dashboard, you guessed it, gold thread. There's even a custom racing helmet made from carbon fiber with gold leaf decoration, hand-applied at Koenigsegg's factory in Angelholm. It's been built for a customer in the US, and will come with a removable hardtop, stowable under the front bonnet, super lightweight sound deadening, carbon ceramic brakes, stability control, a hydraulic lifting system, to get over those pesky curbs and so forth, and Apple CarPlay. So yes, you'll, hopefully, see it actually being used.